Hi friends, I have two stories about penguins that we're going to read today. The first one tells us a bunch of facts about it, and the second one is for fun. So this one's called Plenty of Penguins. Let's find out some facts. Facts are things that are true. So it says, what is black and white and cute as can be? A penguin, that's me. Do you want to meet my family? Yes, I do. Penguins are big and penguins are small. They have sharp pointed feathers, and that's not all. We have stripes or spots here and there, long bushy brows or spiky hair. There's lots of different kinds of penguins. If you notice, there's some that have white around here and some that are white down the front. That's something that is true. It's a fact. There are even bright colors that some of us share. I live at the South Pole. It's covered with ice, ice, ice. I think as ice is very nice. We have homes in other places too. South America, New Zealand, Australia, and Peru. Lots of places. We cannot fly up, 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 and away. That is strange for a bird, wouldn't you say? I would say that birds that can't fly is something different. We waddle and we hop and we have lots of fun. We swim and we dive down deep one by one. They're diving off the ice. We find many fish, squid, and shrimp to eat. They're good, yum, yum. What a treat. But we have to watch out. We might become meals for killer whales and leopard seals. Here's a killer whale and here are the seals. On land, we live in great big groups called colonies. That's another fact. Colonies is the name of their group. They are also known as rookeries. Sorry about that. That word was tough for me. We make nests and we rest. We lay eggs and we keep them warm. We watch and we wait and we wait and we watch and we keep them from harm until the egg hatches. Hooray, hooray! New baby penguin chicks are here to stay. And then the back here tells us all the different kinds of penguins and what they look like and all their different colors. That's a neat book about facts. And this is a fun book called 5 Little Pumpkins Slipping on the Ice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready, friends? We're going to read this book. It's a silly story. 5 little pumpkins slipping on the ice. One fell down. Ouch! That's not nice. Mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more penguins slipping on the ice. 4 little penguins sliding near a tree. One fell into the icy sea. It must be really cold in there. Mom called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more penguins sliding near a tree. 3 little penguins skating all around. One fell up and then fell down. Ouch! Mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more penguins skating all around. 2 little penguins playing on a hill. One slipped off and banged her bill. That's her nose, her beak. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more penguins playing on a hill. 1 little penguin jumping very high. Shh, what's going to happen? What goes up has to come down. Broke the ice and started to cry. Mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more penguins jumping very high. Now there, no penguins having any fun. No penguins, not even one. The mother called the doctor, and the doctor said, let those penguins have some fun. My page is stuck. Did that ever happen to you? And look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 penguins out having some fun. You know what you can do at home, friends, to have some fun when you can't get outside? If you have 2 paper plates and mom or dad or your adult says it's okay, put one on the floor and one on the floor and put your feet on top of them and skate on the paper plates around the room. It works on the carpet, it works on the floor, but ask if you can do it first. Have fun. Bye, friends.